Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Today I'm going to show you how to make super crispy and juicy chicken at home. Who doesn't love perfectly crispy chicken? It's delicious, it's easy to make, and it's perfect for any occasion. Whether you want to serve it as a main dish or use it as a party snack, this recipe is sure to please everyone. So let's get started! First, we need to marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of corn flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of buttermilk or yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and make sure that the chicken is coated evenly. The longer you marinate the chicken, the more flavorful it will be. So I recommend leaving it overnight in the fridge if you have time. Otherwise, marinating it for at least 30 minutes will still give you a great result. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the coating. In another bowl, mix the remaining flour and corn flour with the rest of the spices. This is what will give your chicken an extra crispy texture. Make sure to mix well so that the spices are evenly distributed. Now, it's time to fry the chicken. Heat some oil in a pan on medium flame. To prevent the oil from splattering, add a few whole peppercorns to the hot oil. Now, gently drop the chicken pieces into the hot oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. If necessary, fry the chicken in small batches to prevent the oil temperature from dropping too much. Fry the chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy. You can adjust the cooking time based on the size of your chicken pieces. Just make sure that they're cooked through and that's it. Our crispy and juicy chicken is ready! Serve it hot with your favorite dipping sauce, such as ketchup, mayonnaise, or honey mustard. It's delicious as a party snack, appetizer, or even a main dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And be sure to follow me on social media for cooking tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.